Burritos. Delicious.
How about the sauce?
Don't eat these ones though. They're just, ornamental. Lads and ladies, I'm Smith K.
And I'm Sky. And these burritos are fit to get propagated.
Because if some burritos are good, more burritos are better.
Don't you guys already have, way the too many?
We don't talk about that.
Anyways, yeah, it's time to get into all that Okay, so in order to keep the mommy burritos looking their best, we're gonna lovingly hack away any branches that are missing a section of leaves. Most of the branches that we leave attached to the mommies should split and send out multiple additional branches down the road. Which is great because not only are we getting lots of new baby burritos from the cuttings, but the mommies are all kinda getting a makeover. Also, it's worth noting that we gave the mommy burritos a good watering about a week ago. We'll explain why that's important at the end of the video. Next, we're gonna lovingly break off any unneeded leaves from our cuttings. You don't have to, but if you're a plant hoarder or if you just love burritos enough that, I don't know, maybe you kind of got a problem, you can get real crazy and put the leaves on a succulent leaf propagation tray, but that's optional. We'll cover the specifics of that process in a different video. And then trim the stems. Okay. Now that the babies are ready to go, it's time to prep their new homes. First, we gotta pack some draining containers with some bone dry cactus mix. And we mean bone dry. Like
Grandma's ashes dry?
I mean, yeah, I guess. Anyway, we'll explain why bone dry cactus mix is important later in the video. Now, we're going to nestle each of the babies into the cactus mix. For this part, we're going to use our magic paintbrushes. Really though, anything thin and pokey should work just fine. Alrighty, now that the hacking and potting is all over, we need to talk about burrito care. We're going to continue to care for the mommies the same as always. Maybe we'll back off a little bit on the light because they're looking a little bit peaked, from too much sunlight. But for the next several weeks, we're gonna care for the baby burritos just a little bit differently, okay? So listen. F***ing listen. This is important.
Oh my lord, listen.
F***ing listen. Jesus. Now, the reason that we potted all the baby burrito cuttings into bone dry cactus mix was to protect all the wounded bits of subterranean burrito flesh from moisture. Right now, they have no roots, so any additional moisture can only harm them.
Nobody likes soggy burritos.
Don't worry about it though, because we recently gave the mommy burritos a good watering, which means the baby burritos that we cut from the mommy burritos have more than enough water saved up in their cute little bulbous green leaves to survive between now and when they've developed a root system. So for now, we're just gonna wait it out. And sometime soon, probably in the next 3 to 4 weeks, the now plump and juicy baby burrito leaves will start to get wrinkly.
Like grandma's ashes wrinkly?
No, Jesus, not that wrinkly.
Like Grandpa Wrinkly?
Oh f***ing god. Anyways, once the baby burrito leaves are
like Benjamin Button Wrinkly?
Yeah.
Once they've developed a root system, we'll give the baby burritos a good watering. And if they have developed a root system, we will know because they'll get unwrinkly.
Just like Benjamin Button.
Oh my fucking god.
For now though, we're gonna keep them in bright, indirect sunlight. That level of light should keep them photosynthesizing without drying them out. After their first watering though, we'll be able to up the light level a little bit and probably move them into some full sun.
If they unwrinkle.
Anyways, listen. Do you like bad graffiti?
Jesus, Smitty.
Aren't you forgetting something, Smitty?
I almost forgot. In our last video, we added a new member to the House of Yabonton family of plants and strange pets.
What do you mean strange pets?
I don't know if you noticed, this pet watermelon suspended by ornately crafted macrame hanging behind me at this time.
What's up,
In our
guys?
last video, we challenged our viewers to, name this melon.
Oh my god,
And they
yes!
responded with comments.
Several.
That's right. And, we told them if the names fit, then we'll make it official. And there was one name in particular that was repeated. I don't want to say we got spammed, but, we definitely heard back. And so at this time, we are going to name the pet watermelon. With our magical paintbrushes, we now dub this melon Pug-O-Melon,
Wait.
aka King Pug.
Yep.
Is that like permanent?
Anyways, hey, listen. Do you like bad graffiti, worst jokes, wacky macrame, and pretty good advice about how to take care of your houseplants? Well then f***ing subscribe!
And subscribe!
Jesus!
Turn on channel notifications
Thanks,
too.
Yabonton Shark. That's right. Click that notification bell too, so you never miss a new video. Smith Kingston out.